Hello everyone, today we go to looking insert underwear. Today we can looking insert or not. Okay, done. Let time we go to now. Okay, let's go. Okay, we looking at there. Do you hear insect? Don't have insect. At there but don't have insect. Okay. There. Wow, I can't open it. Okay, we look at there. Yeah. I have insect. Open it. Wow, insect. Beetle. Beetle worm. It's so cute. This one. This one. Look at there. Wow. Look, it's. Wow, this one. This one. Wow, this one. This one Beetle worm. It's so cute. Wow. Wow. I have each other insect. Wow. It's going to earth. I have here insect. Okay, we'll open at there. Do you hear insect? Wow. Where's Millipede? Where's Millipede? This one, red millipede. Millipede, Wow. This one. Panda. Wow, red millipede. Wow, it's so cool. Wow. Beetle worm. Red millipede. This one. This one. Red millipede. This one. Red millipede. Black beetle. This one. red millipede. This one. This one. Red millipede. Yeah. Wow. This one. This one. Wow, red millipede. Yeah. Okay, this one. This one, red millipede. This one. Wow. Red millipede. Yeah, after we catch it, we will release back to natural again. We don't kill it. Here, this one, red millipede. Wow, this one, red millipede. Yeah, it's so cute. This one, red millipede. Yeah, this one is so big. Wow, it's go to. Yeah. Yeah, red millipede. This one, red millipede. Yeah. Yeah. Black millipede. Yeah, black millipede. Okay. Wow. Red millipede. Yeah. This one. Yeah, red millipede. It's so cool. Wow, red millipede. This one, yeah. Wow, it's so big. Red millipede is so big. Yeah. This one. Wow, red millipede. This one, red millipede. Yeah. Wow. A centipede. Wow, red millipede is so small. We don't catch it. Yeah. Wow, it's so big. It's so big. Red millipede is so big. Okay, and this one. Yeah. Just look at activities is crow. centipede. Okay, thank you everyone for watching my video. Yes, if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel for next video. Thank you for watching.